What's up guys, back with another video finally. Haven't been on YouTube in a while, had a little break, but yeah, I'm back with Lincoln. We're going to Blackjack today. We'll be doing a Black Diamond trail that Lincoln hasn't done in a while. Nice and rainy, so it's going to be a good day. Let's get to it. Really slippery, eh, Link? It'd be sick if they build a trail along here. So guys, what we've decided is this by road or trail that we're riding up, we're actually going to go down it, so then we don't have to ride all the way back home, and Lincoln doesn't really feel like it, but it's a sick looking trail road. I think we've done it before, but I had a flat, so I couldn't ride down it, but it looks really sick. There's heaps of rock slabs, heaps of like drops, so we'll probably see is at the top, I guess, now, and then we'll go down. Guys, we made it to the top of this. We just walked up, rode up the whole trail. It's gonna be pretty sick. Oh, Lincoln. But yeah, I'll get back to you when we're going down the trail and Lincoln's not pissing everywhere. Go faster, Link. Oh! This is sick, brah. Yeah, holy hell. Nearly slipped out. Nah, you're going good. Oh my god, I got that on video. Oh. Holy. Ooh. Go, Raz. I launched off that drop link. Go faster, bro. Nice work, Link. Oh, checks the little whip. Rightio, there's this tech up here that is like probably the hardest I've ever seen. No, we haven't done it yet because we always just use it as like a shortcut to like climb up, but I don't even know if it's possible. It's down here. It's like the rocks are massive and there's so many of them. Wait, Link, I might hit it first. Straight down the middle.
Yeah, don't put in your front brakes.
Yeah, stuff that. Yeah, the boys. Oh!
Holy crap!
Bro, on a no suspension.
Oh!
Well, you back tire was just like flicking around everywhere.
I'm the best man biker.
Bloody oath, bro. It was a radio.
Jack,
Let's go down the road.
I'm better than you at text. Sorry, mate.
get wrecked, Jacko. Careful you don't run into a rock.
Come on now, here, bro.
I wonder how far to Williams Road. Going gear 7. Holy crap. Oh. Woo. Look up there, Lee.
Yeah, the boys.
Tessa, sit. Look at this girl. Rightio, me and Lincoln gonna wash our bikes and then we're done.
Oh, yeah, just.
Rightio guys, that's the end of today's video today. Next week, me and Lincoln and my dad are actually going to Orange. It's my birthday. Hopefully we can go because it's coronavirus. Hopefully it doesn't spike or something. But yeah, we'll be going to Orange. Hopefully doing some Black Diamond jump lines and all that stuff. So, see you next week. Peace out.